Herod was not a legitimate heir, mga classmates, to the throne of David. And he knew it. The birth of a child who might challenge his rule terrified him. And he responded, mga classmates, ordering the death of innocent children in Bethlehem. This shows us a deeper truth, mga classmates. When power becomes self-serving, it turns destructive. Sounds familiar, mga classmates? Recently, we keep hearing this slang word, gugurgurin, when it comes to politics. The word sounds funny until you know truly its meaning and the evilness behind doing this act. Many of our politicians now are like King Herod. Majority of our leaders are threatened to let go of their position and power. They are willing to throw away any principles they have, even their conscience. They will lie, plunder, and even gurgur other people to be where they are now. We ourselves, mga classmates, are not immune to this. Many of us are willing to do anything for our financial stability, social status, and family. Even sell our soul to the devil and wrap it up with the justification that we are doing all these evil things for our loved ones. But in reality, mga classmates, bottom line, self-serving. Think about it, mga classmates.